Hey everyone, I went out and did some shopping today. I bought my first Dewalt tools. I'm primarily a Ryobi consumer, mainly because of the price, and I do my own home maintenance and renovations and stuff, but I don't do it for a living. So I've never had the need to go next level like to DeWalt or Milwaukee or those higher brands. The reason I got these DeWalt tools, we'll go over there now, and I'll show them to you, is because it was a crazy price. They were almost half price. It's hard to say no to a good deal. So let me show you what I got. So here we are. This is what I got. I bought the it's a combo deal, drill and driver, and it comes with 2 batteries, charger, and a tool bag, which I think is pretty awesome. Let me show you quick before I get into that what I was talking about. So you can see a couple Ryobi items up there, the miter saw and the tile cutter, and then over here you'll see I have a few drills and drivers, and that's the utility tool there, perfect for cutting door trim and stuff like that. And there's more there, a little saw and some other stuff there. Oh yeah, the brad nailer, love that thing, that's amazing. Router, yeah, this guy here, this is the caulking gun, fantastic. In our old house, we did a lot of work with caulking at one point, putting some floors down and stuff. And the glue was so thick it was like tar, and thank God for buying that. Anyways, and I have more stuff downstairs too, but that's it for now. Okay, let me get into this. All right, here we are. So let's open this guy up. Okay. Instruction manuals. I always use these as a last resort. Probably not wise, but it's what I do. Okay, so there's the charger. Actually, I do have one of these already because my son gave me a DeWalt coat, which takes a battery. I guess it's like motorcycle attire sort of technology, so you can work outside and stay warm. What else? Okay, there's the driver. That's cool. Nice. It feels good. It really does. Yeah, it feels like quality. Oh yeah, gosh. But you can really feel it. And we got 1 battery and 2 batteries. That's awesome. A lot of times when you buy these combo deals, it only comes with 1 battery, right? I guess the thinking is you can only use 1 tool at a time. But it's nice to. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty bright too. Yeah, that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these a bit before I say anything about it. I can't really endorse the product until I use it, just to be fair. I can tell you all about Ryobi stuff because I've had them for, well over 10 years, I would say. Probably, maybe around 10 years. I started buying stuff slowly years ago. I could tell you all about them. So I'm going to do this, use these. I'll check out how they feel, how they work, how long the batteries last, and I'll compare it to Ryobi. I'll give you a review video comparing the 2 of them. So on that note, I will sign off. I'm very happy with the way everything feels and the value here. I mean, gosh, all this and 2 batteries, charger, and the tool bag. I love getting new tool bags because I'm always looking for a place to put stuff. and just a piece of paper. So yeah, very good stuff. I'll put a link below if you're interested in checking it out online, looking at some reviews online. That's it for now, and we'll talk to you soon.